Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to add half shade numbers or text effect in Elementor WordPress website. So first of all, let me go here and click on edit with Elementor. And now Elementor page builder is loading. Then we don't have to add any extra plugin. So simply you can go here and now let's add a new section. So flexbox container, so now let me scroll down and select this one. Then let me add the structure. So now in first column I want to add spacer, so let me drag this widget, and after that let me add some more height. So this one is okay. Now let me go to advanced tab, then scroll down. Here you can go to mask, then enable this option, and now scroll down. So by default this is selected circle. Then you can select custom, and now let me add image. So let me upload image file, and here I am using this transparent image. Now let me select. Okay, now image is added. Now let me go back and then click on background, then scroll down, and after that now let me select this one gradient. Then let me add these colors. So let me change one color to the black, and now scroll down. Let me add the value 50. Then this value also should be 50. So now let me select this angle to the 90. So here you can see it's working fine.